Is sunlight melting the artificial grass of your Chicago home? Yes, sunshine can melt artificial grass in Chicago, ruining a property's good looks and meaning the owner must rip out and replace the turf at great expense. But sunlight can't cause the costly damage alone. It needs an accomplice. In this case, the accomplice is those well-meaning, energy-efficient windows that were meant to reduce energy bills and shrink carbon footprints, not ruin the lawn. When sun bounces off those highly reflective windows, it can get hot enough to melt the grass at Chicago homes, not to mention at businesses and schools as well. But when you apply TurfGuard window film to the windows of your property in Chicago, you stop sun reflections melting turf grass by redirecting that reflected sun in countless directions. Whereas untreated, a low-E energy efficient window's panes act like a lens concentrating the light. Once coated with TurfGuard window film, however, the sunlight will scatter harmlessly away and the artificial grass will remain in great shape. TurfGuard window film is an easy to install, do-it-yourself solution that protects your natural and artificial grass by reducing the sun's damaging reflection off your windows. Visit windowfilmforturf.com.